friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we're doing our Zoom Story Room craft for March 9. So we're going to need our kit, which has a big pink piece of paper that you can unfold and flatten out. It has a big cupcake liner. It has a little bit of a cupcake liner to be the basket for we're making another hot air balloon. And we can add Dr. Seuss and Thing 1 and Thing 2 to our design as well. So we're going to need, in addition to those items from our kit, we're going to need a glue stick and some crayons or some markers. Now if you use markers, you might want to color your cupcake liner over your plastic bag so it doesn't bleed through onto the paper. If you use crayons, you should be a-okay. So I'm going to use crayons today, and I'm going to begin actually by gluing my pieces down so that I can really see where I want to put all of my different colors, designs, and patterns. So I'm going to put glue all over my cupcake liner and flip it over and stick it down right towards the top of the paper. Perfect. And then towards the bottom of the paper, I'm going to do the same thing with my little brown or golden cupcake liner and stick that right on there. And now I can add my characters. So I'm going to put the cat in the hat right in the middle of the basket. And then Thing 1 and Thing 2 can be on either side. Brilliant! Now for the decorating part. So we're going to grab our crayons. I'm going to start with a nice blue crayon and make the strings for my hot air balloon so that it's attached to the basket. That way the balloon part doesn't float away all on its own. And then I'm going to make a spirally design. So I'm going to start with a little circle that goes all the way out, all the way around with that same blue. Next, I'm going to use some scarlet, and I'm going to do some zigzaggies on my basket. You can create yours however you want it to look. So get as creative as you would like in your creation, and you can make yours more colorful or less colorful with different designs. You can make it however you would like. The whole point is for you to have fun creating. And now I'm going to use a green just to put some polka dots to add a little bit more color and pop and pizzazz to our creation. And I'm gonna do some polka dots all around my spiral too, just in different places. Awesome. We are all set. So here is our hot air balloon craft. And I hope you all enjoyed. Have a wonderful day. Bye.